Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio US Preview YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. 11/11/2008, lucky day. Oh, baby. Can you say turnaround Tuesday? Futures are down right now nicely. I got to tell you, I think we're going to rally. This looks like a nice setup for a turnaround Tuesday. Look at that move in sterling yen in Asia. I mean, they broke it down to break it out to break it down again. Is our market unbelievable or what? I'll tell you, a lot of the European numbers came out much better than expected. German zoo better than expected. There's a 15-minute of sterling yen. With the futures down like this, you would think we'd be a lot lower. Euro dollar coming in nicely after launching on that German zoo. Just gave us an opportunity to get short. Absolutely. And I'll tell you what, should we breach our level, we're short it right now at a higher level. Should this euro break through this 126.70 level, last night's lows, it's going to get ugly. It's going to get real ugly. And we see a nice little this descending head and shoulders, wedging, can't rally. Look how we even rallied up to, well, we broke through it, but resistance there. We're in this zone where we break through, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. But I got to tell you, I think we can turn around. Negative 54, the market was looking at negative 60. For the Eurozone economic sentiment, German zoo, negative 53.5 versus negative 62. But again, trend is your friend, and futures are down, and that means everything goes down. Everything goes down, except dollar Canada, of course. Looking at the euro dollar yen, another, we sold a rally, got our opportunity to get short. Look at that rally. I love it. But again, futzing around, another head and shoulders. Look at this. I mean, neckline. I mean, it's not the picture perfect head and shoulders, but you get the idea. You got your head in the middle, you got your left side, right side. Boy, we break through 97.50, and it's over. We go down to 97, easy. Boshizi. So dollar yen not looking very good in my opinion. Again, with the futures down like this, amazing. Yesterday, market was so sensitive to any downtick in the futures. Now the futures are down, and dollar yen's not even going down. That's telling us something, though. Sterling dollar got down to our 55 level. But it's not over. I mean, maybe. Look at that. Broke through. Broke through this channel on here. Just about. But again, I like this one here. I think cable looks más horrible. And I think maybe break through 54, then we bottom out. But not yet. Let's look at the hourly chart. Veterans Day, remember, U.S. holiday. The only thing coming out is the IBD Economic Optimism Index. That's nothing. Not that's nothing, but we know optimism is at lows. Nothing new. We look here on the hourly chart in sterling dollar, and it's broken. Unless we take out this 156.50, 156.30 level, it's going down. It's busted. B-U-S-T-E-D. Busted. Trade balance was a little bit better out of London, but again, great shakes there. How about that euro sterling? Oh, baby. It didn't really get to our level, though, did it? Almost. It punched through, and my premium people were supposed to take profits on that punch through, but we were a little higher, 50, 82.20. And now it's reversing, and I don't like it. So now I'm looking to get short this thing, but again, this level here keeps holding at this 81, 60 level. Should that give way, we might come back down to here. The big spot's 81 in euro sterling. Again, people, if you have any questions about trying out my premium service, feel free to email me, info, at globalfxradio.com. And also feel free to visit my website, Global FX Radio. I go into more in-depth about different pairs. I go on my more rants, yada, yada. And soon I'll be doing gold, Dow, oil. Also, a separate YouTube. I'll be doing that probably next month. Once FXCM gets their commodity platform going. But euro sterling, definitely it hit the top of the channel, broke out, took out stops, now reversing. But again, I would think with the good numbers out of Europe, all of a sudden, that we should probably have a nice, nice little rally in euro at some point today before we go lower, though. Looking at this euro yen, take a look. We rallied. We sold it. You know what our sale was last night? We nailed it. 25.40. Whew. I think, yeah, that's what our spot was. 25.40. Look at that. Look at that shooting star. Right at the top, baby. They launched it, and listen, I hate selling things into weakness. Look what happens when you sell it into weakness. That's why candlesticks work. You have your bias, you look for a bounce up, and you get short. It's a lot better than selling into weakness, having a rip in your face, and still you're not even. I know it's eventually going to work, but how many of us can hang in there for 200 pips? You know? But looking at this chart, this does not look good. And it looks like this 123.50 level probably is going to get hit. 23.50, 20, really 23 is the bottom of the channel. So euro yen, muy malo. Oh, this is flagging to the downside. Look how pretty this looks. And if euro sterling could keep coming in, oh, this baby's going to look even better. But we see here on the hourly, this is just flagging. Look at this, flagging, double shooting star, getting a bearish engulfing. Futures are going lower. I'd say by 9:30, the stock market, if it gaps down significantly by 10 o'clock, we're probably going to bottom out, maybe even right on the open. And I think we come back. Sterling yen, hourly chart, acting a little bit better as we got stopped out. The one trade I put on, because it was hanging in there, we were up in it very quickly, but we put the trade on this sterling yen. I don't know, 53, 52, 53. Got stopped out at 54.10. But again, I tell my people to get back in, even if we get stopped out. If you see that shooting star, you got to get back in there, coach. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. All right. I think I have a better voice than some other people, I think, that sing. Pretty sure there are some people, other commentators that sing. Nothing wrong with it. Singing adds 10 years to your life. Did you know that? Bet you didn't. See that? You learn something new every day. Again, sterling yen, busted, rolling over, dribbling. I call it a dribble, waiting for the bar down. And I think that should we bar down in this sterling yen, it's going to get ugly. Look at that. There's no support. Really ugly. Maybe 151, I see a little support in sterling yen. Maybe. But we slice through that, and we go for that hammer. Slice through like butter. Let's take a look at the Aussie yen. Another one. We got short, beautiful at 66. Route 66. I love that song. And we're flagging to the downside. Once again, we might have another pull. Look at that. Beautiful. Pull, flag, pull. Listen, we take out 166 to the upside, we're probably going back higher. I see something like this happening. Pull, bang, and then hammer in your face. Watch for the hour. Watch. Listen, this yen is notorious at the top of the hour for having these big moves, whether it be a hammer or a fake-out hammer or a fake-out shooting star. It does it all the time. Watch how dollar yen operates, reacts with 10 minutes left to the top of the hour. People, you learn something new from me every day. Oh, baby. I've been noticing this happening a lot recently, where these big, quick moves, and sometimes they're top, and sometimes they're bottom, sometimes they're a fake-out. But just watch how dollar yen acts at the top of every hour. Incredible. So Aussie yen also looks terrible. Eco watch a survey out of Japan, much weaker than expected. What else did I want to show you also? There's something else I want to show you. No, that's pretty much about it. That's about it. Again, euro yen looking very weak. Euro dollar coming in nicely. This euro dollar breaking lower. Looks like it's rolling over. Again, once this whole uptrend channel is busted, now we go for this. And certainly this euro, I would say this 120, 126.80 level busted, but say hello to 126.50, then say hello to 125.50. Again, any questions about going premium, getting my trade picks, email me, info@globalfxradio.com, or visit one of my websites, globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. YouTube, the only voice in Forex that makes you money consistently. Yeah, we have bad days here and there, but anyone that tells you they're going to make you money every day, run for your life. Have a good day. Make some money. Make more money. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money and teaches you something at the same time. Bye-bye.